In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Tasks. This simple yet powerful tool can help you keep track of your daily tasks directly within the Google ecosystem, making it easier to manage your workflows and boost productivity. Whether you're new to Google Tasks or just need a quick refresher on how to access it, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. First things first, we need to navigate to Google. You can do this simply by entering www.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once you've landed on the Google homepage, you'll see a variety of options and features, but for now our focus will be on signing into your Google account. To do this, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button, which is usually found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will take you to the Sign In page, a crucial step in accessing any Google service, including Google Tasks. Once you've reached the Sign In page, the next step is to enter your email address. It's important to use the email associated with your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one you prefer to use for managing your tasks. After entering your email, proceed by clicking Next. Following your email entry, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in the password associated with your Google account carefully. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Google provides options to help you recover it. But assuming you remember your password, enter it and then click Next to proceed. After successfully signing in, you'll be taken back to the Google homepage. From here, you want to access your Google dashboard. You can easily navigate to your dashboard by clicking on your account icon, again typically found in the upper right corner, and selecting Google account, or by typing My Account into the Google search bar and selecting the relevant result. Within your Google dashboard, you're going to look for and select the Gmail option. This might sound a bit counterintuitive if you're specifically looking for Google Tasks, but it's actually the simplest way to access tasks since it's integrated within Gmail for quick accessibility. Upon entering Gmail, you will notice the Gmail interface, complete with your inbox, sent items, drafts, and more. However, our objective is to launch Google Tasks. To find Google Tasks, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the Gmail interface. Here you'll see various icons, one of which is the Google Tasks icon. It's represented by a blue circle with a white check mark inside. This is the button you want to click to open Google Tasks. After clicking the Google Tasks icon, you'll see a sidebar open on the right side of your screen. This sidebar is your gateway to managing your tasks. You can add new tasks, set deadlines, or organize your tasks into different lists to better manage your work or personal projects. Now, let's take a moment to note a few additional tips that can enhance your experience with Google Tasks. Remember, you can easily drag and drop your tasks to reorder them according to priority. Furthermore, integrating Google Tasks with your Google Calendar can give you an even better overview of your deadlines and commitments. And if you're always on the go, consider downloading the Google Tasks mobile app, available for both Android and iOS, to keep your tasks accessible and manageable from anywhere. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to open and access Google Tasks. With this tool at your fingertips, you're well on your way to becoming more organized and productive. Remember to explore the various features within Google Tasks to fully tailor it to your workflow. Happy tasking,